So I used to track my powerlifting progress here before, but yun nga, natigil ako kasi na-busy, madaming ginagawa, and na-focus ako sa TikTok mag-post ng content. So, yeah, I'm back. I'm back to start again, to remake myself again. Since I'm here in Bicol and kakalipat ko nga lang dito, and it's been 13 days na nandito ako. So, new home, new people, new environment. So, yeah, pero throughout those 13 days, medyo natututo na rin naman ako ng daily routines. And medyo nakakop ko na rin. Ang problem lang is yung dialect. Yeah, like kung nirereklamo yung dialect nila kasi till now hindi ko pa rin talaga sila maintindihan for some reasons. So, since lumaki ako nang walang mga kamag-anak, andito pala sila lahat sa Bicol, sabi ng mom ko, and yun nga, na-meet ko na yung iba pero hindi pa lahat. Well, anyways, I started Project 50, which is 50 days of self-improvement, and it's been a week. It's day 7. So I decided to continue my progress here in YouTube. And yeah, I decided to transfer here sa YouTube since gagawin ko na lang siguro kung business yung TikTok since kumikita naman ako doon. Well, not much, pero at least nag-earn ako kahit may papariyabay yung pumapasok. Yun kasi yung source of income ko for now, yung mag-affiliate sa TikTok. Since for now, wala akong class, no work, and yeah, definitely, nakatambay lang ako ngayon. So, while wala akong ginagawa, I decided to do something. So, supposed to be dapat first year college na ako ngayon, but yun nga, di ako nakaabot sa exam, so I need to wait for another month para sa second sem kasi doon ako mag-enroll pa lang second sem. So, while wala pa akong ginagawa, I'll take this opportunity muna to improve myself. So, while wala pa akong ginagawa, I'm currently studying trading right now from Baby Pips since it's a free course naman. And I read books, I do home workout muna since wala pa naman akong gym. Actually, meron pero I'm still broke. Parang pa-membership. So, I just do home workout, read, and study. That's my only core routine for the whole day. So, yeah. I'm here nga pala sa cemetery since wala akong sariling room sa bahay. And I don't want to do this alone. So, ito lang yung place na meron dito kung saan ako pwede mapag-isa. So, that's for day 7.